that I'm
Morning,
talking about.
guys. Morning.
It's
Good morning. Good
ridiculous.
morning. Yeah. This gap. We opened. I pulled it up
That I'm
last night at
Morning,
like
talking about.
6:05, right? My time.
Morning.
Like I was like,
It's
whoa,
ridiculous.
what is going on? It's like I couldn't even find it on my chart. We gapped up like 200 points. I was like, what the frick?
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hate playing gap up states and all-time highs.
It's the most fun ever.
Yeah.
ES is starting to lose that kind of area there.
And Q is rejecting too, so far.
Yep. Man, I may
SPX.
watch NQ into like this, get down into the 70-ish area.
I think everybody's looking for a rejection back to like PDH at this point.
Get down to 575-ish, something in that range.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we're just the problem is that's nearly 300 points down, right? Like that's now we know NQ can do it, right? We've seen it, it happens, but that's not a small thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a move.
The overnight high for Qs is 628, so it's got room up there if it wants to go. That's wild.
Man. So ES kind of pushed down into VWAP or right around VWAP. NQ didn't get anywhere close, obviously. Divergence here.
What's crazy is that I left my fib extensions on from last week, and NQ is just rejecting straight off of one, the very last one that I have. Yeah, still has room up.
Goal with almost a 20-point pop there.
We have no news today, right?
Good question.
Yeah, they go.
No,
They go.
we don't have
No.
anything.
No.
Richmond that's tomorrow. Richmond Manufacturing Index, which I doubt does anything anyway, but that's tomorrow anyway. So, no, well, okay. I'll look over for 1 second. Kay says, look at news, and I missed this little drop.
There it goes. Yep.
Okay. All right.
We don't have anything today, but this week it's gonna be packed with pretty much everything. FOMC, a bunch of earnings. It's not gonna be an easy week to trade.
No.
I kind of watched down to 720-ish, 710. If we get down there, also 770 again, it's kind of interesting.
I'm
Not
actually
levels that
leaning.
like you have to trade this, but I'm gonna kind of keep an eye on those areas.
I'm leaning more bearish, dude. There's just
Yes.
there's nothing keeping us up here except for just thin air right now. Apple's rejecting hard. Meta rejected hard. And those were the two things that were keeping NQ going up. Microsoft rejecting hard. Amazon, Google, Nvidia.
Anyone
Like,
know why we got this big gap up today?
No, I have no clue.
It's
honestly.
just all-time highs, I think.
just hope. Degenerates. That's what it
The
was.
degens.
Gold is ranging, not really doing much. Untradable down here. I know Sasha's already like up $1 million from her
Yeah,
short.
so she's like, yeah, gold is plenty tradable. What are you talking about?
Oh, it was
Oh,
Can you
yeah,
China
the
keep
deal
talking?
news.
I
with
like
China.
keep talking.
You know what it
It goes
was?
like
Was that? Sorry, go ahead. Sasha, are you
keep
up like
talking.
$1,000?
Nah, I keep talking. Go like say, let it drop.
You know what it was? ADR?
It was China.
The
China's
trade
news.
deal. China, yeah. Yep.
What are you trying to say?
Potential deal with China.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought it was an interesting spot there. It wasn't really watching at like 77 on ES here. That was interesting. I didn't notice some of the previous highs and lows right around there.
Yeah. I like this NQ like morning low hold and the VWAP. But it's too early for me
Yeah,
to make
it
any
held you up
trade.
nicely. Also held 800, right? That's also interesting, right? I know it's not an actual level per se, but levels like that become psych levels a little bit. So
Come on, I gotta make $1,500 before 10 a.m.
you get a couple evals you trying to pass.
No, I'm just playing.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
just playing to lose it.
Yeah, coincidentally, I mean that is the eval number when 50% consistency on almost everybody, right? So like,
I'm surgical with it.
yeah, yeah, it's nice to hold on both of them.
Wednesday is
Yes, there.
FOMC. That's the day I'm gonna buy evals and pass them. Like, gonna go a little cuckoo.
Good
I'm
old
saving my
Dan.
YOLOs for Meta. That always provides a
Mm.
nice move. And that's at 4:05 Eastern.
Oh, they got earnings?
Ooh, I gotta
Yeah,
take. Yeah,
Meta
I
and
forgot that.
Microsoft.
Okay.
What are you leaning? Bearish or bullish? I'm better.
Case wants to YOLO some cons,
Oh,
let him
for the
know.
YOLO?
Yeah, but like you
I
gotta
always
pick a
just
side.
go.
You know what I mean?
No, I pick both. It's
So,
just
oh
You
yeah,
pick
like
both?
set
so
the
you do the double bracket. Yeah,
yeah, I
like
do
in
the
both
How's
limit
the
okay.
up and a
IV?
limit down. So whichever way it goes,
How's the
I do
IV
it on
window?
futures.
Oh, what?
Huh?
Yeah, he trades their earnings on
I
futures,
trade
right? So
Oh,
he'll
okay,
take
okay,
NQ
okay.
like
that. Right, right. He's using futures to trade their earnings.
yeah.
God,
Oh,
so
so, I
you
mean
really
yo, next level degen, bro. You gotta get
for
it.
real?
Yeah, we don't mess around here. Man.
Wow. What account? Who allows you to do it? Actually, you know what? You can do it. It's not really a.
The only one who really doesn't allow news trading is really TPT. Like
Yeah.
almost everybody else allows news trading now. I don't trade Apex. I don't know what Apex does that situation, but everybody else
Oh, you can
allows
trade
news trading for the
anything and
most part.
everything with Apex.
Yeah, so that's the same top step. That's the same with I believe Lucid is the same. Funded ticks I believe is the same. Everybody besides kind of TPT now has moved away from the can't trade 1 minute before, 1 minute after news.
Well, it makes no sense,
right, like they've all kind of
because
gotten rid of that.
TPT, you what's the consistency rule? 50, 40%? And you have to trade 5 days. So I think it's even more
Yeah.
profitable for them to allow people to trade news because let's be honest, most of people are gonna blow up those accounts trading news.
You're right. And the only time news trading makes a ton of sense if you're gonna YOLO is on 1 day past stuff, right? With no consistency.
Yeah.
Because then, yes, I could see why you may not allow or want people to just
Yeah.
YOLO 5 cons up or down and hopefully hit, right? Sure.
Yeah.
But if you got to be consistent, you got to do the 2 days. It's like, okay, so you get halfway there, but chances are you blew up half the accounts before you did that. So yeah, I'm with you, ADR. I think it makes more sense to allow it.
You tell them. You
Yeah.
go ahead.
I
Write
mean,
him
I
an
don't.
email.
I'm gonna write him one
Tell
right now. Gemini, write me an email to TPT to say your rules stink.
You need
See what
to
it says.
change them.
Yeah, change them now. Allow news trading. Because I'm such a big influencer, right? I got so much pull. Easy.
They were like, who the fuck is this guy?
Yeah, yeah,
Who the
yeah. Who's this? Who's this asshole?
fuck-
No, but Case, you can trade it with any provider, like any firm, except for Top Step, because Top Step kind of blocks you at 407 or
Yeah.
something. And most earnings come out at 420.
Right.
So Lucid, Tradeify, they're all like 445, 459. So you can still trade earnings.
Gotcha.
A little kind of choppy right now, guys.
Yeah.
A
Mhm.
little indecisive.
Even gold is choppy. What the hell? Well, actually, gold is not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
No, cool. Well, yeah, gold's nowhere near as choppy, right? You had that nice little sweep down to right back up and then right back down, but like
Gold
good.
is beautiful. I'm $2,500 up. It's
Oh,
gorgeous.
see?
What?
Well, yeah,
Get-
case over here, like you can't trade gold here. And Sasha's like, watch, hold my beer. Watch this.
Yeah, actually, gold is actually it is making a nice move down.
Yeah, it is.
Fuck gold.
Mm.
Oh yeah. Oh god, here comes Amp.
Well,
Oh,
this
Knowledge.
no.
30.29 level on gold is. I'm watching this.
Yeah, kind of anything between 21 and 29 for me. Right. Like there's a low here and then there's another low at the 25. Like that kind of
Yeah.
area is
Mhm.
interesting.
Yes.
And then we had a couple more lows at the 20-ish. Yeah, like that whole area is kind of interesting, 20 to 29.
Just don't short it at 4,000. Cycle level.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
That's gonna
That's like
hold.
that's like a level 1 psych level.
No, I like this
Yeah.
area here, like the 25, 34 support. And it's kind of far from the VWAP also. It's pre-market low. It was an important support on Wednesday. And it was an important resistance on the 10th.
Yeah, I kept buying the previous day low reclaims and just got smacked left and right.
Dude, it's crazy when you try to do that shit and it just keeps going. Just keeps going.
Tough.
I know Vince got his daily 20 reject. Kind of rejected that
Yeah,
nicely.
the daily 20 on gold is all. I mean, the daily 20 is right now, and it's all the way up to like 40.73. So it's got a long way up if it wants to go.
Oh, and
Yeah, we
AMP,
got
it's on
different
a long,
ones.
right? On gold, I think. Yeah.
I think I wanted to sweep 40.20 or 40.21 first.
That's what I'm looking for. Kind of getting kind of right into that low
Yeah.
for those lows 40/20s and then come back up.
And then right below at 4,000, there's like a 1 hour shelf, like volume profile shelf with support. So it's kind of like you're coming into support at under 40.21. I mean, you could try it, if it aligns with what you think. It is holding, but I just don't trust it yet.
Yeah, I don't like how the
Thinking about
market is
snagging
holding
some more
now.
top step.
So
Oh, I got
50K.
3 reset credits on top step. What?
Oh, probably because of the whole XFA thing, the AWS thing. They were giving
Yeah, I
free
wasn't
reset credits.
trading at all during that though.
Yeah,
But
I think
I
they were
will.
giving some out.
I'll take them. Okay. So I'll reset
Curious if NQ
3
can break
accounts and then I'll
over
buy 2.
NQ can break over 47, 45 into 50 here. That could be interesting. Kind of starting to create this on this short time frame, this little wedge here. Yes, it's doing the exact same thing.
Imagine if we just keep chopping around all the way up here until FOMC. Oh shit. That would
That's why,
suck.
why you got to play games like that? Why you got to even put that out in the atmosphere, bro? We don't want that.
Because it's possible. That's why.
I
Oh,
know,
no.
but I don't want you to say it.
It's statistical, you know?
Don't worry.
Yeah. There goes gold down to 4021 ish.
Sweeping overnight low.
Yeah, gold
Previous
looks
week's
pretty
low is at
weak.
21.2.
I think what's his name? Tanya wants it down to like let me check Tanya's levels.
Like, to be honest, I want to see gold at
41.43.
around 3,900. I will say 39.24, 25. That's the main level that I'm watching on gold.
I kind of.
And then
I don't-
like the way the
3,500.
ADR.
If you look at the bigger picture,
Hey,
like the bigger time frames, the weeklies and the daily has a huge head and shoulder, very clean downtrend
Yeah.
the past 5 days. I do think gold can keep going lower. I don't know if that's gonna happen today because right now it's on a very
Is
important
gold pushed?
support level.
And a little sweep on gold is interesting.
X, look at gold on the weekly and look at the what do you call it? Fair value gap right below.
Hold on. Give me a sec. Pull it up.
It's the first fair value
Yep.
gap on the weekly.
Yeah, between 14 and 19. Oh, geez. There's a 100-point gap there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. I see it. I mean, what's wild, you look at gold on the weekly, it's nuts. It's just like up, 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 up. Like every single week is like another hard push up. You almost have, as you push into it, 1, 2, kind of 3, and then 4, 5. You got like 5 good weekly gaps. It's actually pretty impressive how hard gold is pushed.
I'm gonna wait till 10, see what it does. See what this.
Go back to my 30-minute here and see. That was a good little sweep there, honestly.
All right, $500 on the top step evals on gold push.
Nice. Yeah, that was a great sweep. Yeah, beautiful sweep there. Kind of this little overnight level here at 28, kind of swept down and right back up. Only now I'd be watching again is I want to see that sweep below 21 would be nice.
Yeah, I
Thank
I
you.
like these 30s, 20 level on gold. But it's still not looking too strong. It's still kind of weak.
Yeah, it's kind of like I don't trust it. The minute you start think, yeah. Go ahead.
I was gonna say just the double gap up on NQ on the RTH chart. Nutty.
I would.
I don't know when the last time we had like a double
Gap up.
gap up.
Feels like
I think the better
um,
probability is to look for shorts on NQ or ES.
Yeah.
that's
rather
what I'm
than
watching for right now, honestly.
Rather than trying to find a bottom on gold, which can easily just
Keep bottoming.
Yeah, my buddy, let's see.
But
He shorted 843, scaled half off at 813. Nice.
Those wicks are ugly. Thank you.
This is I'm gonna put in chat real quick kind of what I see, but like NQ and ES are doing this exact same thing, right? Like they're creating this wedge here and they're pushing up, going through it a little bit, coming right back down, going through it, coming right back up. It's just like really starting to just
One of them is going to
Impressive.
equalize. And I don't know which way it's going to happen.
So we have Amazon holding pretty good. We have Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia all holding, but Microsoft and Nvidia right at resistance. Apple looks like it wants to boom boom. It's holding resistance and support. So we have a mix of some tech looking pretty bullish. Pretty much all tech looking pretty bullish, but some are at a very strong resistance level.
Look at the SMH too. SMH is kind of getting a little
SMH.
weak.
Yeah, SMH definitely looks
Right.
looking weak. Yeah.
is
I'm
ES gonna
watching
push up to that
Nvidia.
90
If
now?
Nvidia loses the VWAP and keeps rejecting 191, I can see NQ going lower.
Yeah.
And that will make Nvidia going down and filling the gap below. But so far, it's holding the VWAP.
Yeah, I mean, it does seem like shorts are in the play for NQ. Just the overnight high sweep, struggling at 46.
Yeah, I was hoping that we'd see ES take that 90 first, that overnight high. But I still lean short. In general, just the huge gap up. There's nothing below us. So if we start losing that, I think we can go down quick.
Just not a fan of shorting.
To be honest, if
Maybe a short
you
if we get
forget
below.
that the market gap up really hard today, like overnight or pre-market, it's looking pretty bullish. Keeps
Yeah,
holding
I mean, we have
support.
two major gap ups. Friday's huge gap up, and then
Yeah,
today's huge gap up. So
that's
there's
the thing.
significant strength.
Our
So
brain is like saying that we need to short because we had two big gap ups, but it's looking pretty bullish. Obviously,
yeah,
we
I
need to
think I'm gonna
break
just
morning
watch the
high.
RTH chart.
Yeah, we gotta ES has got to get up to 90. Gotta see what we do up there. I'd like to see NQ really breaking over that, like you said, that kind of that high here.
Yeah,
First off, the pre-market high. We also morning high at 860.
yeah, I'm
So
watching the
what do
60
we do
also.
there? Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna just throw the 5-minute OR on and try to trade off that.
We obviously, because we kind of our extensions were right at open, we haven't really tested or gotten close to orb high or low 15-minute on either ES or NQ. So kind of chilling between those two.
What to do? What to do?
That's tough
Pretty
right
dumb, but I'm in a 839 long on NQ.
now. I'm at an 840
See if we
long.
can
Don't judge
get to
me.
the other side of the OR.
I was watching this pull back down into this I created a little kind of trend line here. I was watching it pull back down to the 836. I got in at 840. A hair before you. I mean, a hair after you, and we're gonna see if we can start getting going here, though.
Yeah, I'm only looking for 860.
That's 859.25 is where my PT is. My stop will be below 825.
Mine's at 832, just below this micro tiny structure on the 15-second chart.
Go lower. Go to the 5-second, microsecond.
5 seconds good too. I can go there.
I'm gonna try a long and go very small because I'm gonna open my stop all the way to 40.18. I'm gonna follow a buyer that keep popping and see the support in 5 minutes and 2 minutes.
You're brave.
Give me an amp, a quick little pop to 59 and whatever. Let's get out. Quick little PT. ES can go another. I mean, I think ES gets it to 90-ish. I don't know why it would stop yet. Guess the 68.90 was a high on the gap up candle. They're rejecting the
Overnight high.
orb high though.
Yeah, I'll take profit here at overnight high. No, I'm gonna keep it
I've
on.
I've now moved my stop to 40, which was my entry. A shame if it loses it now, but I was really shooting for that high.
I'm actually moving my profit target up. Let's see. This weekly resistance one though, right at it on the indicator. My fancy zones.
Ooh, nice reaction there.
Oh my god. I'm gonna
That was
miss that
pretty
by 2
clean.
points.
Very clean reaction there. I was so close to take
See
that.
if 4275 holds. What a beautiful structure hold right there.
The problem that I have with going short here is that Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia all look like it wants to keep going higher.
Yeah. Sasha, did you get rid of that gold long?
There we go. There we go. Okay.
Look at
Took
that
it.
structure,
That's off.
50% right there.
That was great.
No shades. I am in 2 micros, so my stop is under 40.18.
4018. Okay, you still got time. You still got a little bit. Damn, 4018 all the way down there. Shit.
I'm still in long, but I'm in my stopped up now to that 42 ounce.
I'm out of my long. I'm at limit at 59 3/4, so it took me out there. It was good.
If this 5 minute
If we get a
candle
nice
on
strong,
gold closes like this, like a hammer, I'm gonna go long.
Actually, I closed my long there. I'll re-enter it like maybe an OR mid retest.
I wouldn't even mind seeing ES pull back a smidge here to get back in to get in long on ES now. I still think we can get up to 90, so I think there's room there.
Yeah, I agree, Blade. I was just gonna say I'm long from 25, 825, and I'm holding for a bigger move, looking for a strong push through this level,
Yeah,
like a nice strong 5-minute candle. And then yeah, pullbacks, no pullbacks, whatever. That's just a signal that I'll keep going, hopefully.
yep. It's my thought right now too. A little pullback. I may even try ES, which is not normally my cup of tea, but I think ES has to get 90, so I feel like there's room there. Okay, well, yeah, okay, well. All right, I wanted a little bit lower. I wanted down to 85. That's
Gold.
great. Awesome. Well, there's the
Nice.
90. Kind of a okay.
ADR, it heard you, and it was like, yeah, I'm not gonna
Yeah.
hold.
Ooh,
Yeah,
gold. I might get
that's
a
why I
gold
was
long
waiting
going.
for
Hold on.
the 5-minute candle to close bullish.
This
It's what's pointing in
This
though.
week low.
this sweep low on gold is looking mighty nice.
Yeah, 21.2. See 22. I'll give it a
I have to
second.
I
give
mean, it's looking pretty nice
Yeah,
for
I
more
mean-
downside.
Yeah, now it is.
Mhm.
Yeah.
have to give it to 15 if I was to get in.
Yeah, if we fail this
Um,
21.2, then I think so for gold.
Okay, I like this breakout on both ES and NQ. Now I'm gonna wait for a strong 5-minute candle closing like this and then
yes.
pull back.
Give me a goddamn break. Son of
Yeah.
a
I was wrong.
There it
on the,
is.
on the
There
short.
it is.
I friggin' wanted. Son of a gun.
I was wrong on the short thesis right there.
Listen, case my gut also thought short. Although I entered long, I still
Yeah.
thought that short was the overall play. I just saw
I've
an
heard
opportunity
long
to put
on
it scalp.
gold. Looking for 5.
Yeah, long and gold right now is actually the play for
Yeah,
maybe a
Long
Yeah,
on
this-
Come on,
gold.
give me
you guys say?
27.9 and give me my day over with.
You could also
want to
buy
get pushed
pullbacks here on the
back at the
indexes.
27 points. Give me a little more. All right,
it's getting-
gold. Go, getting wild. Whoa.
yeah, getting frothy
my
down here.
My stop's at 20.1, so we'll see.
Gold is getting a little wild down here.
My profit's actually at 28.2. That's what I need.
My profit's at 27.1, and I have another one I got one more at 28. I'm gonna put it 29 in case we get a push over here. Are you shitting me? I missed that by one tick. Nice. Nice. Are you kidding me? What? It's gonna get it. Oh, all
wow.
right. Uh-huh.
Nice. All right.
Uh-huh.
That's so frustrating
Beautiful.
how you hit DLL on your main account and you snap an eval. And you
So
just
the reason
smoke every
why,
single trade.
if you look at the 30-minute, and that was a good sweep, is because we started like a push up on that level, the 21. I don't know if it's gonna hold though, honestly.
Yeah, maybe not. I just kind of took it for like an initial sweep bounce.
Oh, I just wanted a scalp off it. That's why I went for it. I'm out now. That was it. Super fast in and out.
Yeah, there goes rejecting again.
I'm gonna try a long here on NQ. If he holds the 60s. Yep.
I want to see a little bit lower to 50-ish. Nice ADR.
Yeah.
Looks like I might get going here. Yeah, look at that pushback down on gold. We got it at the right time, amped for sure.
This is what I'm seeing on gold right there
Oh, I don't like that
at
move on
4,004.
Nvidia. We'll see.
Yeah, that is a nice shelf.
Yeah.
Mhm.
To shelf at that. Yeah, 39.20.
Yeah, a
39.20.
lot of space between that kind of 950 and 920.
Yeah. We just haven't tested this 4,000 shelf yet. You know,
Yeah,
4,000
yep.
like level 2, so it's kind of like
It's kind of like the origin of that large leg up that ran all
Yeah.
the way up to all-time high, so it's kind of
Yeah.
nice.
Yes, holding 90 now though is interesting. If it can hold that, right? Because that right there is your overnight high.
Yeah, it's holding overnight high long. I would smack an ES long right now.
Yeah, this is pretty interesting holding that high. Are you still in the
But
long?
then which asset
ADR?
correlates with what
Yes.
asset, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Nice. I think this looks good. This hold of 90 again. Yes, looks good. That could hold NQ up, push it.
I do like how
the way I
NQ
see
is
it, either
looking.
like
I don't love how Nvidia and Amazon are looking right now, but NQ is looking pretty good.
Got it.
Like it's a very clean
does,
break and
yes, it does.
retest so far.
Yes.
Uh-oh. If gold reclaims 21.
Damn gold.
Yeah, like ooh, oh, okay.
I don't like what ES just did there.
You guys are playing games up here, dude. Going long at all.
Yo.
well, the way I see it is like one of the assets have to correlate with another.
Whoa,
So
what
it's
was
like,
that?
is ES gonna push while NQ kind of relaxes a bit,
Yeah.
or
Nvidia is rejecting hard
Yeah, it's
right now,
Nvidia.
so be careful.
honestly, I think ES still looks really good. Holding the daily open nicely. Just a
The one thing for ES,
consolidation, putting in higher lows. You just gotta get a little bit of room.
Apple's rejecting,
It's,
Nvidia rejecting. Microsoft is the only one that's strong-ish now.
yeah, I don't like how this is looking.
You guys are wild going long up here.
NQ at this 50 area is what I said I was interested in, but I'm not touching anything right now. We're a little more volatile.
Good thing my day is done, so
Yeah, Mom, I
I
don't
don't have
like
to worry
this.
about any of this.
It might fake me out, but I
We're
don't
back
like
inside the
how Nvidia is looking so weak. Yeah, it was Nvidia.
and Q's back inside the orb.
Mm-hmm.
If we reclaim
Rejecting
60, I
pre-market.
might try it again. Even here, this is pre-market high. I like that better.
Come on, take 61
Mag-
right now. Get over 60 for
Mag
me.
7 had a really nice all-time
Over,
high
there we go.
retest.
Over 60. Keep going.
Yeah,
Keep
I
going.
like that.
Mhm.
Whoa.
Yeah, so the only thing I did was 50 was the level I wanted. I just took a long off 50 with the 2 micros. That's it. Just to see if I got a quick bounce.
Just
That's all I was
to
looking
feel
for.
something.
You got it, bro.
Just to feel something.
All right, so I took one off at 64 for 10 points. It's micros, guys. This is negligible money, and I'll move my other to stop in a second. I want to see back to like 75.
I like that hold.
I don't like
Mhm.
ES.
ES,
Careful
I
with
don't
ES.
like
Not
it how it's
watching.
looking.
Not watching. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't do that. I'm in NQ. Chill.
If ES starts rejecting, forget about it.
Yes, what? Hey,
I just took a short.
Case,
on
can you put a
NQ.
call? Oh, well, now never mind. You can't put a call in now. You're short. All right. The other one got stopped at break even. I made $20. Woo!
Yeah, I might get stopped out though. I took a short right
That's
off of.
coffee money.
Yeah. And nowadays it's one coffee, but yes, I'll take it.
Go to
Can't
Dunks.
complain.
Yeah, I mean NQ holding overnight high, and then
Yeah.
now gold holding below previous week low.
Yeah.
Oh.
That I said the 850. I just took one off there. It's the pre-market high. I just wanted to take a shot. Like, how is it not to? For me, small risk was tight. The risk was below 40. All right, like talking 10 points. Not a huge one.
Okay.
I like that. I like that Tinder one. Yeah.
What the hell?
Hold on. I'm missing something.
What the hell?
Man, listen, that's impressive, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, getting frothy.
I was over here crying in silence.
Yo.
Jesus.
Raj is like,
They stuck me out of long and goal.
I wouldn't honestly like wait until it starts reclaiming some levels on gold to go long. Otherwise, you're trying to find the bottom.
Minimum previous
Yeah.
week low. Yeah.
Gold is on a very clean downtrend.
Yeah.
I feel like I
Raj,
completely
for the past
missed
30
I
minutes.
missed last Tuesday's long on gold, but what I was talking about. Let's see.
Come on, drop
I like
NQ,
the
drop.
ES short.
Do it. Do it.
Honestly, I really do like gold longs, to be honest.
Did you say Nvidia short? ADR, you're in the wrong chat.
No. Okay,
Hold on,
I
let me
like
show
the
you why.
ES short.
Okay. That's what to give you crap.
But yeah, Nvidia's looking weak.
Just freaking do it already. Just drop and go to zero. Do it.
If we can reclaim last week's low,
I
I'm
took another
watching
short
this
on
30-minute
E.
candle on NQ. It depends how it closes. If it closes like that, both ES and NQ, the 30-minute candle is pretty bearish.
Stop me out again. Stupid freaking short.
This is too
I'm still
choppy.
not sold on the short. Yeah, I still.
Yeah. You say you
Again,
like
for me, it's like-
long gold?
Well, NQ's just holding the 50 still
I
until we
did.
lose
If
50.
we could reclaim previous week's low, I like the pattern here structurally.
Okay.
But that also gives breathing room down to, like, with context, you'd have to get breathing room down to like 960.
Yeah.
So
Damn you, freaking NQ.
Oh, there it is. Right. So for me,
There's
like holding the
freaking-
50 was important on NQ, right? The interesting thing with ES could not get back over 90, right? So the staying below 90 was important there.
That's why I wanted a short on NQ because ES was just too weak
Yeah.
and then bounces
But
again.
but look at that. Look at that bounce right back up. 15-point bounce right back up. It's just
you said 15-point bounce right back up.
yeah, 34 to 55, 53, whatever it is. Yeah. Isn't that 15 points?
Where at? Oh,
Huh? Thank you.
Math.
We just jump right back up to 50 something. I mean, maybe it was 12 points.
Gold. We're at the gold shelf right now. 4,000.
here, I'm
See
gonna
what happens
call.
here.
I'm gonna call the bottom tick for an NQ bounce. It's gonna be at 828.50.
828.50. All right, so just
Wait,
full,
it'll be at
full port.
828
Full port there.
even.
Got it.
Watch 828 even.
I feel like I have to buy one and put it there just for fun.
Yeah, I feel like
Gold is either
buying.
gonna bounce here or it's gonna.
Damn, I mean that was a very clean last week low
Yeah, I'm on an
projection.
NQ short with
That was
micros.
clean, actually. And wow.
As long as we're under 850, I'm short.
No gold bounce yet.
Yeah. So 50 is a level for me too. ADR. That's the one. Whoa, gold. What? I missed this whole thing on gold. Whoa.
Yeah,
Holy smokes.
it's near 4,000 now. So
Yeah, I know. It's right at 4,000. 4,000.56 was the
oh shit, there goes that bounce.
I did not see
Yeah.
that. That was a wild slip. Missed that completely.
The thing about gold is like NQ. It just sweeps and never respects levels. I do like this 4,004 hold so far. No, Sasha's waiting for that long right now.
You know me. But I'm waiting 39.62. Where it
Oh,
is, there's no trade for me. Unless if we
yeah.
claim 18.
Okay. Looking for NQ to go to
Freaking
810, the VWAP, maybe?
freaking NQ. I hate you. Freaking stopped me out and did what I wanted it to do.
It's pretty
Wow.
jumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't. This tough action.
See the 828 up to 859. I'm in long 13 minis on a busted
Where?
top step account.
You're long on what? On
Just an eligible top step account. Just
Oh, just for fun. Okay.
I'm done trading all my other accounts today.
Just messing around in a busted account. I like that time.
I went long gold right there. But you know what? No, never mind. Let me take this shit off. It's too jumpy.
Gold is wild right now, Case. Like
Yeah.
this is very like too much for me. My heart can't handle that.
Yeah, it's too jumpy right now.
It may work, Case. Like it might, but like
Yeah,
this is a little too nuts.
I took it off.
Enough for me.
It's too jumpy.
It's one of those times gold can just drop, 9-10 points in half a second, come right back up, and then instantly takes you out. Like, well, okay, cool. That was fun.
Gold tapes is everywhere.
Okay, is this the 828 holder? Oh, look at that 828 even.
I mean, this shelf could hold. It's just.
Are you at the shelf on gold? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah. The 1 hour shelf.
Come on, just die already,
Oh,
NQ. Nvidia is dying. Go lower.
pretty good.
Uh,
Oh no, I'm running low on coffee again. Bad
if
news.
there's any truth to market structure and origin of moves, news. I wonder how 39.86 on gold will react. That's sort of the high to low before we put in the
Oh, yeah.
massive run. Today's definitely the day where you just let Monday finish and
Yeah.
trade off the levels. Tuesday.
Feels
Monday
like
should be
today's
like
a day
a
to
day
not
to
trade
collect.
anything.
Yeah,
This
it's like the
entire week.
opening range of the week.
And also, yeah, today is the day not to trade NQ. Yeah.
What's like IWM doing? Or what was that YM, right?
YM.
Or
YM. YM is at the same thing.
yeah.
RTY is kind of the same thing. They're all doing the same shit. Yeah, it's
Gold,
1 hour.
gold.
1 hour on gold is not looking too bullish.
That was 600 lots at gold sitting at 4K.
Oof.
I've never
I mean-
seen anything that large for gold myself. Well,
Wow. All right, gold. Down, up, down, up.
Some deep pockets.
there's another 200 lots sitting at 3995 and 3985.
This shit's getting frothy. Wow.
Okay.
The 4004 area held on gold. Shit. Damn.
Yike. Yike.
Did I
That
just
Almost a profit target.
did I just call the bottom in gold? Holy shit!
Did I call the bottom one in Q? Shing.
I got off.
Probably did.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's
What a
gold found its
mess.
support
What a
at
mess.
4,000.
That was really nice structurally on
Holy shit!
Q.
All right, don't short gold down to 4,000.
Pretty much don't short anything.
Somebody have Trump's number by any chance? We need
Yeah,
to
dude, I
tweet.
got you.
I gotta find it. Give me a sec.
No, Amp
No,
does.
I don't have him
Amp,
on speed dial. He doesn't appreciate that.
Amp, call your boss. Go ahead.
Yike.
Come on.
Hit up Daddy T real quick.
Man, what a huge candle on NQ.
Be crazy if his kids are like, Dad, I really need some money right now. Instead of giving him money, he's like, all right, buy the market in 30 minutes.
That's probably what's happening, dude. Honestly, wouldn't doubt it.
The 30-minute candle changed in like the last 10 seconds. It was looking pretty bearish and now it's looking pretty bullish.
The last 5 minutes will always tell you what's gonna happen on.
Full port longs. Okay, go. That's what you're saying, right, Case? That's what I understood.
Hmm?
For that. He said the last
No,
5 minutes
that-
tell you what's gonna happen. Full port longs. Get in.
Seriously, like watch the price action during the last 5 minutes of a 30-minute candle. You'll start noticing that it starts moving the way that it's gonna go, essentially.
So then why not just watch 5-minute candles?
You could,
Yeah. I'm just thinking, right? And I'm just throwing it out there, right? Like,
but like you still have to be mindful of the time.
of course,
You know, you still have to be mindful of the
Yeah.
like
like I do tend to look at 15-minute candles more than I do 30-minute candles.
Yeah.
Me personally, that's what I've always done. And yeah, I mean, if you look at the previous NQ 15-minute candle, the 30 is going to look probably pretty similar actually, but like how aggressive that candle pushed up
Yeah.
is it's pretty wild. But okay, I'll have to keep an eye on that too. It's good to know. Yeah, that 5-minute
Yeah.
NQ is nuts.
Top of the hour, half an hour,
Yeah.
Just watch, just keep an eye on it. Just
No, it's interesting that you say that. I definitely will.
'cause I noticed that. I mean, I was trading last night, and maybe it doesn't apply during the day, but like overnight, something's just starts happening the last 5 minutes.
You start getting some movement, some volume comes in.
There's volatility the last 5 minutes, and it tells you exactly what it's gonna do.
Is it 60 gonna hold here? Or we're gonna have another fake out?
Fake out.
All right, that's it for me today, guys. I'm gonna go play around in Blender and watch YouTube. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Did you get a hold of Trump?
Yeah. He'll send something out in like 13 minutes at 4:45 p.m. I mean, wait. Oh no, what time is that market time?
It's 10:30, right?
10:45. 10:45. All right, I'll see y'all later. Be
All right.
crazy if
Later,
that
bud.
happened, huh? All right, see ya.
I entered at 860 hold. This is my last trade. If you cannot hold that 860, I'm out and done for today.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start taking some profits here.
Nice hold. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Cubes may go to 630. That's the high overnight. It's not even, it's the opening high of the overnight. QQQ. What a market. Wild.
Okay.
Okay, gold.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna go sweep that 30-minute low.
Thank you with that push there too. Wow, impressive. All right, push this one. Gold.
That's
What's
good
my
old
number?
NVIDIA and SMH.
Mm.
Well, SMH is NVIDIA right now, I guess. It goes gold, sweeping that 30-minute low.
Let's see if how ES is gonna react to today's high. What's the most accurate pay indicator in TradingView? Pay indicators are not gonna pay you. Like, I trade without indicators, so for me, the more indicators you use, the more difficult it's gonna be for you to make a decision. It is ugly. Ugly price action. Yes. Very ugly. NQ is not looking bad at all. Come on, NQ. Get me
Okay,
back to
gold.
green.
I took longs on gold when it swept that 30-minute. Just a few.
It's holding the 4,000 number. I don't have any level there,
Yeah.
but it's an important psychological level. So I'm waiting for gold to break the downtrend.
I like that sweep of the 30-minute candle and a reclaim of it. So I took some. Nice. I made too much money, guys.
Goddamn guy.
Yeah, this is a nice hold on gold, honestly. Sasha, did you take it? Yeah, look at that.
I am with 2 micros.
Yeah, me too. Like,
We'll add if it reclaims 20.
I may de-risk one around this area. It's a beautiful hold. That 3-minute candle closed strong, so it may keep going. Yeah, look at that. Damn. The thing about gold, you don't stand in front of its way. When it starts going, forget it. Stop out. It's gonna stop me out. Yeah, no, yeah, no. Yep, stopped out. Nice. 500.
Nice.
That's still fantastic. That's fire, dude. So good.
He makes too much money.
I made too much money.
Yeah, yes. Definitely looks like it wants to retest today's high.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep like moving
you
up my
cute.
stop loss and keep holding these runners.
Q's gonna go 628.
It's over
Samuel,
620.
my
Oh no.
criteria was reclaim.
I don't have more
No, no,
levels
no,
here.
no. That 5.
Thank you.
890. I think Case is looking at some fib and
Fibs?
and,
Oh, okay,
and
okay.
statistical stuff and deviation. I don't know. I'm making an assumption.
Was that?
I said I thought you were looking at some fibs and statistical deviation, stat deviation stuff, standard deviation stuff that gave you 620 as a level.
What are you talking about for Qs for
Yeah.
NQ?
Yeah.
No, I was looking at QQQ. There's a on TOS 628 is an overnight
I don't have
is the
anything
opening
above
high.
here. I have here all-time high.
Where on QQQ?
Yeah.
I'll show you what I'm seeing. Hold on.
Whoa, okay.
Samuel, so I was just looking at that a reclaim of the 30-minute low from 10 o'clock. That was my criteria for an entry. We closed above it, and then I just took longs when we did on the 1039 candle using the 3-minute. And my risk was previous 3-minute low. So it was minimal risk. ADR, you see you see that little 628?
Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I don't have that. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I got to stop out there. It's still red for the day, but at least I got a little bit from that move. I still think we're gonna go a little bit
The problem
higher
here,
for ES to retest morning high.
the problem here is ES. ES is weaker than NQ. No problem,
It's still
Samuel.
ugly, this price action.
Yeah.
I think as
Sasha, you
I
still
don't
in that
have
long
a
as
long?
clear.
NQ keeps holding 860,
No, I'm out.
850 is bullish.
I don't have a clear
No.
read on the tape. It's all over the place.
Yeah.
12,000 lots, 20 lots. Keep popping and going.
Too much math. Too much.
Yikes.
Well, 1 hour
Yikes.
shelf held on a no. Now Qs are rejecting again. And Qs rejecting. Yeah, this is ugly PA. What was even uglier was Friday's price action. That shit was bleh. The VIX falling?
Mm.
Yeah, the VIX is kind of jumpy.
There's nothing to do here. This price action is for
No,
not trading.
no, this is not.
Yeah,
We're
us
not
trying to
ranging.
catch
I mean,
something
we're
is like
ranging. We're not,
playing with fire.
yeah, we're not trending. We're just
Uh-huh.
ranging, and it's just not conducive for a good day.
Honestly,
It's Monday, not enough coffee.
this week it's gonna be pretty difficult. I'm pretty much done and just only waiting to see if gold is gonna break the downtrend.
I think gold is gonna catch a bid here, to be honest. If not, then it's gonna do it around 39.63.
Let's see how the
It's a
30-minute candle
double
is gonna
bottom.
close.
Yeah. Close above 40.11 on gold may be good for more upside. Until then, no. Oh, there goes ES. Weak again.
Yeah.
ES is the problem here. Why is it weak? Let me see. What's rejecting? Apple, Tesla, Amazon, SMH starting to reject again.
When is Apple earning? Wednesday or Thursday?
I think when the actually, you know what?
Huh?
Hold on.
We have Wednesday and Thursday
It
with
is.
a bunch of important earnings. We have Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Apple, everything.
Yeah. October 30th is Apple's earnings. So that would be 3 days from now. Thursday.
Another ugly reaction.
Yeah, it's
Can
15
we
minutes
just
about to
fill the
engulf the
gap
previous one.
already?
For
No.
real. Holding the held the
Another
orb
860
again.
hold on NQ. Gold still reacting.
NQ is just playing with everyone's emotions right now. NQ needs to stay above 876 though.
Let's see if gold is gonna hold again
8
4,000. Ay, ay, ay. What a day.
I think Q's gonna lose it here because of ES.
Amazon is extremely weak. What am I using to read the
And
tape?
Q
I don't
couldn't
read the tape. I don't use that.
close above the previous 30-minute candle. And that's not mucho bullish.
Yeah.
My eyes, at least.
But still holding 860.
For real. What the hell? Just go home already. Yep, look at that. Another hold. But still rejecting that 875 area.
We're just chilling and watching.
Too early to tell, Samuel. We kind of need you kind of want something to reclaim at this point on gold.
I like
Because
this 4,000 hold.
this downtrend still. Yeah. It could be. I mean, I don't. Sasha, you see anything on the table on gold down here?
Problem is, we're just setting up lower
No.
highs, right? Like we just set up a lower high, a lower low, lower high. We could push back down below 4,000. I
Yeah.
don't
So
know.
Bookmap shows orders at like 39.95. And below that at freaking 39.80 and 39.60. So there goes NQ rejecting off of that 30-minute, previous 30-minute.
Watch for this slip below 4,000.
Yeah, I mean, Samuel, like it's enticing
Yep.
to try to catch the bottom, but best not to try it.
Yeah, it's good to be patient, right? Like this, you don't need to force trades. Something will show up and you can take it.
Maybe at the London close we can get some better price action, but right now,
Yeah. Q's is coming up to VWAP right now. SPY already rejected VWAP.
Watching gold here. If I see a nice hammer hold, I might try a little long.
Okay. Are you doing micros or minis?
Definitely micros.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. I'm gonna do it.
What are you getting in ADR?
Gold. My stop loss is gonna be
Gold long.
395.
Mm-hmm.
Don't speak it into existence. You can't tell anybody what it is.
Mm.
Gold listens to you and it hears you, then it goes for it.
It's
See?
only
See what I
3.
mean?
Yeah. Hey, look, it's gonna sell me out. Yep, there you have it. What?
Yeah,
Wait,
see
wait,
what I
wait,
mean?
wait,
Like
wait,
there
wait,
goes.
wait. Okay.
Wow. Cool.
Yep,
And
don't
I'm
say
done
it.
for today.
Next
I'm
time.
done.
Yeah.
just drop. Give me 39.28, and we could all be happy.
39.28. Just give me
28?
0.
Damn, Sasha getting
It's like
crazy.
give me down to 0 and I'll buy it.
That is the last breakout, like when we started breaking up.
Yeah, I see it.
If it tests and hold, I'm going to load up.
Yeah, let's see, 23 test, 23 test. When we pushed over, came back down to about 25, and then we left. We were gone. Yep, I see that.
Another hold of
That's a
60
wave down though.
freaking NQ. Yeah.
The thing is that gold sometimes go get a beer with the NQ and they talk over and bye bye.
Another 850 hold on NQ. But I'm done for today. Small red day for me.
Yeah.
I should have waited. Definitely should have waited for gold to break this downtrend here. Still on a very clean
Yeah.
downtrend. Ugly PA. All-time highs plus gap ups are my worst days. So I'm kind of happy that I'm having a small red day.
Yeah, this price action is shitty.
Yeah. So I'll see you
Honestly, it is.
guys mañana. Best of luck. Please, if you're green, you
Have a
should
good
be
one.
getting out of here,
Yeah.
to be honest. Yeah. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.